Hello guys. Today we are going to be doing a challenge for y'all. It's kind of like a challenge, yeah. So, as you guys know, now I have 2 subscribers, really bad. But I really want people to comment because maybe they're bots, maybe not. So, I think who comments the most, this is the comment challenge, who comments the most will yes, the comment challenge. So, who comments the most funniest comment will, well, if you play Roblox, you will win a legendary pet in Adopt Me, and you will also be winning a friend request. Just comment a funny comment down below, and just let me see, and I will, and also your username, and I think that is it for today. If you haven't subscribed or liked, please do it now. And I love you, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.